Hey AI enthusiasts, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into a story that's sending shockwaves through the tech world. The ongoing legal battle against Meta over their AI training practices. This case could reshape the future of AI development, so buckle up, because it's a wild ride. We're talking copyright infringement, alleged use of pirated books, and a whole lot of legal jargon. The implications are huge, not just for Meta, but for the entire AI industry. So let's break down the accusations, the defense, and what it all means for you. At the heart of this lawsuit is Library Genesis, also known as LibGen, a notorious shadow library known for hosting millions of pirated books. The authors claim Meta knowingly used this platform to train their Llama large language model. And if the newly unredacted court documents are anything to go by, there's some pretty damning evidence against the tech giant, including internal communications between Meta employees discussing the use of LibGen and even mentioning Mark Zuckerberg's approval. Imagine downloading pirated movies to train an AI to create film scripts. While comparing a book to a movie may be controversial, the key legal question revolves around whether training AI on others' work constitutes transformative use, an intriguing concept we'll explore later. The question is, did Meta knowingly use copyrighted material without permission? If so, this sets a dangerous precedent for intellectual property in the age of AI. Meta has publicly admitted to training Llama, their large language model, on Books3, a massive dataset containing around 196,000 books scraped from the internet. But it didn't reveal the full story. The unredacted files suggest this dataset included books sourced directly from LibGen. Think about it. AI models learn by analyzing massive amounts of data. But where does that data come from, and who owns it? This raises critical questions about the ethics of AI training. Can these companies simply scrape the internet, regardless of copyright, and claim it's fair use? The authors argue that's not the case, and this legal battle will determine the future landscape of AI development. Meta's defense hinges on the fair use doctrine, a legal principle that allows the use of copyrighted material under specific circumstances, such as for commentary, criticism, or educational purposes. They argue that training AI models falls under this umbrella. Their lawyers claim that using text to create statistical language models and generate new expression qualifies as transformative use. But is it really? The plaintiffs, including notable figures like Sarah Silverman and Richard Kadri, argue that Meta's actions are pure copyright infringement and threaten the livelihoods of creators. Think about it. If anyone can use copyrighted work to train AI, what incentive do authors, artists, and musicians have to create new work? This legal battle will determine how we balance innovation with protecting the rights of creators in the digital age. This lawsuit isn't just about Meta. It's a test case that could set a major legal precedent for the entire AI industry. The outcome will determine whether tech companies can use copyrighted works to train AI moving forward. If Meta wins, it could pave the way for a more open approach to AI training data, but it also risks opening the floodgates for widespread copyright infringement. If the authors win, it could force companies to be much more careful about their data sources, potentially slowing down AI development but protecting the rights of creators. This case is like a legal compass, pointing the way for future AI development. It will shape how companies build and train these powerful models, influencing everything from self-driving cars to creative writing tools. We're talking about the very foundation of AI development, folks, and the stakes couldn't be higher. This lawsuit could redefine the rules for training AI. Imagine if every data point used to train an AI required explicit permission and licensing fees. That would dramatically impact the speed and cost of AI development. Startups and smaller companies might struggle to compete with giants like Meta and Google, potentially slowing down innovation. However, a ruling in favor of the authors could incentivize the development of new, ethically sourced datasets specifically for AI training. It's a balancing act, folks, fostering innovation while protecting creators' rights. This case could tilt the scales one way or the other, impacting the entire future of AI. We might see a shift towards more collaborative models, where creators partner with AI developers, sharing data and reaping the benefits together. This case could be the catalyst for a more equitable and sustainable AI ecosystem. This legal battle is far from over, and its ripples will be felt throughout the tech world. So what do you think? Is Meta's use of LibGen fair use, or is it copyright infringement? Let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future deep dives into the world of AI. Also, if you're a creator, what are your thoughts on using your work to train AI? Share your perspectives in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.